So hey coders, today we are going to see another problem on Codeforces. See, this is a division to B level problem. So in this question, you have given one string, and in that string, you need to change like one letter of that string to any other letter of that string, so that the permutation that can be made from that string should get minimized, and then you need to print that string. So if you see one example like ABC, they have printed CBC. So the basic logic in this question is that you need, like, if there are 10 elements in the string, then if all 10 elements are same, then it has the least permutation. So you want to maximize the number of one element in the whole string. So that is the task. So let's move to the whiteboard. So as you know that mm, for permutation, if you have 10 objects, 10 different objects, then the permutation that you can make taking all that 10 objects is 10 factorial. So similarly, if you have a objects, all are different, so you can make in a factorial. This is the number of permutation. In case you have from 10 objects, if you have 4 objects identical, then the number of permutation will be 10 factorial by 4 factorial. So here, in case of like, if you see this this alphabet, so alphabet has 2a, and you can make this 3a by changing any other element to a. Like here, in this case, they have changed this b to a. Okay, so uh, if there are 8 different elements, and then here if you have 3 same elements, so it is going to, so you have 8 unique elements, so it is 8 factorial, that permutation. But here now, after changing, you have 3 objects same, so it is going to be 8 factorial by 3 factorial. So in this question, the whole logic, you need to find the element which has occurred maximum time in this whole string, and then you take any other element which is present in the string and change it to the same which is occurred most of the time. So this is the whole logic you need to implement in the code, and I have already written and submitted this code on Codeforces. So what I have done here in this code, that I have made one array of like 2D array which has 26 like 26 cross 2. So in this, what I am trying to do, like, there are 26 alphabet, all are small cases here, and then I am just taking the count of the each element present in the string, and then I will search for the maximum count, and for that one I am storing its index also. So like, first one is storing the first one is storing the count, I think, and the second one is storing the index. So yeah, first one is storing the count and second one is storing the index. So here you can see, and then you just need to find the count which is maximum, and from there you can just take it is present on which index, and then you just search that the uh, like, what I have done, I have taken two elements here, like one for the maximum one which is occurred most of the time, and one which has occurred least number of times. So I'm changing the least number time of occurrence to that maximum one. So here, like, e represents the element, if minimum element is equal to the maximum element, like the count. So then I am just finding key, like, anyone, uh, I am starting from the zeroth index and I am searching कि if any index, if that element is not the same element which is uh, present maximum time in that whole string, and then I am changing that element to the maximum occurrence time. If uh, this minimum count is not equal to maximum count, then I am just changing the minimum index element with the maximum index. This this case will occur when you have same number of elements in the whole string. Like there is one test case given in this second test case, so it is applicable to the second test case. So uh, this is the whole code that I have submitted on Codeforces. If you have any doubt in this question or understanding the logic, you can ask in the comments. I will be happy to answer. Thank you for your time and your support to my channel. Thank you.